Hey everybody, tonight we're getting into a little 2017 Elite. These are fat packs, fat rack packs. Fat rack packs. Try to say that 10 times fast. There will be 4 autographs in this box. Just gonna go ahead and say it, probably nothing that crazy. The fun in this is stocking up on good rookies. As you know, there's lots of good stuff out 2017. Hopefully pull a good rookie parallel or two. That would be nice. I mean, could get a good autograph. It's possible. Not very likely. I mean, technically this is retail that you could buy off the shelf at your local Walmart or Target. Pull these out of here. But with 20 cards per pack and all these potential rookies, and these boxes don't cost a fortune, so I've done a couple of these 2018, and it's just a fun break. Although 2018, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, gives you more autographs. You get 6 autographs as opposed to 4 in this box. So if it's autographs you're going for and you're finding these in comparable price range, you might want to go for 18 if you like the 18 rookie class. If you don't, well, this is where you want to be with 2017. Let me turn these around. These are always turned wonky. I'll go ahead and tell you, I've never found them not to be. Starting off with Dalvin Cook, Darbo. Probably not. There's going to be a lot of cards here, so I'm probably just going to hit on some of the highlights. One kind of crappy thing is I'm seeing a lot of these corners are dinged. There's Isaiah Ford parallel. These cards come out with a lot of, I don't know if you can see these flecks. You have to wipe these off. There's Kamara. Yeah, they come out kind of just dirty, honestly, every time. And you have to, they pick up fingerprints easy, and you have to just wipe them off to get these little fine dust residue off of it. Honestly, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Alright. And sometimes they come out dirty too. Like, let's see if you, there you go. Check this out right here. Like, what? What is, why? Why? And this one too. I don't know. I hate that. 3, 4 cards like that in a row. There's Beathard. There's McCaffrey. Buda Baker parallel. First autograph is Gunnar Gunnar Kiel. What? Gunnar? I got no clue who Gunnar Kiel is. Amari Cooper, Dak Prescott, Derrick Henry. Okay. I'm going to say we're not off to the best start. A couple of decent rookies, but I'm seeing some dinged corners and kind of a crappy autograph, and yeah, I don't know. Hopefully this gets better and not worse. Oh, and then the dirty cards. This one's like that too. I don't know if I can get it in the right light. You can see it. There you go. What? I mean, yikes. There's D.D. Westbrook. Davis Webb. There's a Dalvin Cook rookie parallel. That's a good looking card. It's not a bad pull. Then our vets. Joe Namath, Eddie Lacy. Oh, Eddie, where'd you go? Julio. That's Alabama in there. Come on. No, let me see if this stuff comes off of here. Nope. This stuff is literally not coming off of here. This, whatever this this stuff right here, it's not coming off, so I don't know. A lot of these cards might wind up in the trash. There's James Conner. I'd like to salvage that. O.J. Howard. Larry Fitzgerald, parallel. College ties, Von Miller, Myles Garrett. And Zeke, Gurley, Rodgers, Gronk. I don't know if these cards were like this at the start, or if that's something that's happening with age, with this stuff sitting on the shelves. I'm not positive. I don't know if anybody else has opened this. If you can let me know if you're having the same problem. There's Corey Davis, Juju, Rudolph. There's Mike Evans. It doesn't seem to be a problem with the parallels, just the base cards. Flacco, Brown, Le'Veon Bell. There's Goff, Michael Thomas. So we still just got the one autograph. Should be 4. We will see. Hopefully we can get a good autograph to make up for these janky cards. James Conner, OJ, Greg Olsen, parallel. There's Tom Brady, Elway, Roethlisberger, Favre, Russell Wilson. I'm glad they redesigned these. The 2018 Elite Draft Picks looks infinitely better than this. Infinitely better. These cards don't photograph well, they don't scan well, and honestly, they just don't even look all that great. I mean, you have to, if you're up close and you're really looking at it, it's not so bad. There's Kareem Hunt, by the way. Not that that matters at this point. Emmitt Smith, Jameis Winston, Dalvin Cook, college ties. But if you're looking up close and you've wiped all the little dust off, then, only then, is it a really good looking card. Well, I'm not even going to say really good looking. It's just too much foil. There's not enough color and just too much silver. So I'm glad they rethought this design for 2018. Buda Baker. Wow. There's Fournette. First one of those. It's got something stuck to it. Jeez Louise, really? Isaiah Ford parallel. There's a Josiah Price autograph. I'm going to say right now that I am very happy that I did not pay a lot of money for this box. Not just because of the condition, but because I haven't even pulled that many good rookies, just a few. And if they're all got gunk on them, I won't be able to do anything with it. I don't even want it in my collection. Although, I don't know, I could keep some of these. There's Trubisky. First one of those. I guess I could keep some of these in my personal collection. There's another Fournette. Thomas Rawls. Passing the torch, Mariota and Derrick Henry. Alright, down to 3 packs. Should have 2 more autographs. It would be cool to get one that at least somebody we've heard of. Although you may have heard of Josiah Price. I don't know. You tell me. There's Deshaun Watson, rookie. Desmond King. Corey Coleman. Alma Mater, Tom Brady. Beckham, Tebow, Sanders, Young, Landry, Jeffrey, and Fitzgerald. Well, if we're going to get 2 more autographs, it's going to have to be boom, boom. 1 pack after the next. I would not be surprised if I got short at an autograph because my luck with this has not been so great. There's Evan Ingram. Curtis Samuel. There's Mahomes. Shelton Gibson. There's one. Oh, Edjuan Price, I guess. Gale Sayers, Bo Jackson, Mariota, Drew Brees, Sterling Shepard. Alright, last pack. If you watched this far, thanks for hanging in. I know this hasn't been the most entertaining of breaks. Looking at a bunch of flashes of silver going past the screen. Can't read the names. I can barely see the people. Alright. Ah, sweet. A Fournette rookie parallel. Not bad. And Joe Mathis. Not Matthias. Joe Mathis. It's the last autograph. So 4 autographs of people I don't know. And a bunch of cards. Those are going to take me hours to wipe down. But I got this. Okay. I'm gonna be sad for a little while. This was kind of a rough one. But that's what happens. Some are good, some are bad, and this was kind of rough. Oh well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Have a great night, and I will talk to you guys soon.